Welcome to Home Food Best Food. Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest recipes. Make it yourself art and craft series. Today's video is making a Christmas card in just 2 minutes. On a white paper, we're going to draw a simple Christmas tree. Next, let's draw an outline for this Christmas tree. Cut along the outline that's been drawn. Next, take a A4 size sheet of any color. Next, paste the Christmas tree cutout. Finally, we're going to draw some small details around it and write Merry Christmas, and this card is ready. Thanks for watching.